everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on my favorite festival. My favorite festival is Diwali. It is also called the Festival of Lights. During Diwali, we decorate our homes with colorful lights and beautiful rangoli patterns. We clean our houses and buy new clothes. On Diwali night, we light oil lamps and candles to make our homes bright. We also burst firecrackers, which is a lot of fun. Families come together to pray to Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and happiness. We exchange sweets and gifts with our friends and relatives. There are many delicious treats to eat like laddus and barfis. Diwali makes everyone happy and brings joy to our hearts. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.